Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to talk about 7 expert tips for crafting a responsive website design in 2023. In today's digital age, having a responsive website design is crucial for businesses and organizations to reach their target audience. With more people accessing websites through mobile devices, it's important to create a design that looks great and functions well on any screen size. As we enter 2023, here are 7 tips for creating a responsive web design that will engage your audience and drive results. First is plan for mobile first. Designing for mobile devices first has become a standard approach for responsive web design. It allows you to prioritize the most critical information and optimize the layout for smaller screens. This approach ensures that your website is accessible to a broader audience and avoids the need for mobile users to zoom in or scroll excessively to view content. Co-creation can provide expert guidance, design, and develop a mobile-first website that is optimized for smaller screens and faster loading times, and provide ongoing maintenance and support. As a result, by partnering with us, you can ensure that your website is accessible to a broader audience and provides an excellent user experience on mobile devices. Use a flexible grid system. A flexible grid system is a fundamental element of responsive web design. It helps to ensure that your website layout adjusts to different screen sizes seamlessly. Grids ensure that the elements on your page align and create a consistent look and feel. Using a flexible grid system allows you to maintain the integrity of your design across all devices. Co-Creation is a web design and development agency that can help you implement a flexible grid system in your website design. Our team of experts can create custom grid systems that are tailored to your specific needs and requirements, ensuring a consistent and responsive layout across all devices. As a result, by working with Co-Creation, you can ensure that your website design is optimized for usability and user experience on all screen sizes. Optimize images and media. Large images and videos can slow down your website and make it difficult to load on mobile devices. Optimize your images and media by compressing their file size without sacrificing quality. This will help improve page load time and ensure that your website performs well on all devices. Co-Creation can help with optimizing images and media for your website by providing high-quality image compression services that reduce file sizes without sacrificing image quality. Our team of experts can work with you to ensure that your website's images and media are optimized for faster page load times and better overall performance on all devices. Additionally, Co-Creation can also provide guidance and recommendations on best practices for image and media optimization to help improve your website's user experience. Simplify navigation. Mobile users have different browsing behaviors and preferences than desktop users. Simplifying navigation can help create a better user experience by making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for quickly. Use clear labels and make navigation menus easy to access, especially on smaller screens. Co-Creation can help simplify navigation by creating a clean and intuitive website design with a user-friendly navigation menu. We can use clear labels and intuitive icons to help visitors quickly find the information they need, and ensure that the navigation menu is easily accessible on both desktop and mobile devices. Use responsive typography. Typography is a critical aspect of web design, and it's essential to ensure that your font size and style are readable on all devices. Use responsive typography to scale your font size based on screen size, ensuring that your text is legible and easy to read on any device. Co-Creation is a web design and development agency that can help ensure your website's typography is responsive and optimized for all devices. We can help you choose appropriate font sizes, styles, and spacing that adjust to different screen sizes and ensure that your text is legible and easy to read on any device. As a result, by working with Co-Creation, you can ensure that your website's typography is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and accessible to all users. Prioritize website speed. Website speed is critical for user experience and search engine optimization. Ensure that your website loads quickly on all devices by optimizing images, compressing code, and minimizing HTTP requests. Speed is especially important on mobile devices, where users may have limited bandwidth or slower internet connections. Co-Creation is a web development and design agency that can help prioritize website speed by analyzing your website's current speed and identifying areas for improvement. We can optimize your website's images, compress code, and minimize HTTP requests to ensure that it loads quickly on all devices. Our team can also provide ongoing maintenance and support to ensure that your website remains fast and responsive. Test on multiple devices. Testing your website on multiple devices is critical to ensure that it looks and functions as intended on all screen sizes. Use a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops, to test your website's responsiveness. As a result, this will help you identify any issues and ensure that your design is optimized for all devices. Co-Creation is a website development and design agency that can assist in testing your website on multiple devices. As a result, we have experience in creating responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and can help ensure that your website functions properly on various devices. We can provide comprehensive testing and optimization services to enhance the user experience of your website. Pros and cons of a responsive website design. A responsive website has several pros and cons. Here are some of them. Pros of a responsive website design. Improved user experience. A responsive website design offers a seamless user experience across all devices, resulting in better engagement and increased user satisfaction. Higher search engine rankings. Google and other search engines favor responsive websites, as they provide a better user experience. This can result in higher search engine rankings, leading to increased traffic and conversions. Cost-effective. Building a responsive website is cost-effective compared to developing a separate website for each device. Easy maintenance. A responsive website requires only one set of code, making it easy to maintain and update. Now let's discuss cons of a responsive website design. Design constraints. Crafting a responsive website design requires designing with multiple devices in mind, which can limit the design options. Co-Creation can help with design constraints by understanding the limitations of responsive design and developing creative solutions that work within those limitations. Our team of experienced designers can work closely with clients to understand their needs and goals, and then create customized designs that are both visually appealing and functional across all devices. Longer development time. Building a responsive website takes more time than creating a non-responsive website. Co-Creation can help with longer development time by utilizing an efficient and streamlined development process. We have a team of skilled developers who use the latest development tools and technologies to ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. Our process includes regular communication with clients to provide updates and ensure that the development is on track with the agreed-upon timelines. Complex coding. Crafting a responsive web design requires more complex coding than developing a non-responsive website. Co-Creation can help with complex coding by leveraging the expertise of our team of experienced developers who are well-versed in the latest coding practices and technologies. We follow best coding practices and write clean, efficient, and maintainable code to ensure that the website is scalable and can be easily updated in the future. Our developers conduct thorough testing throughout the development process to identify and address any coding issues or errors before launch. Load time. A responsive website can take longer to load than a non-responsive website, particularly on slower devices. Co-Creation can help with load time by optimizing the website's performance and implementing strategies to reduce load times. Our developers use techniques such as optimizing image sizes, minifying CSS and JavaScript files, and leveraging browser caching to improve page load speeds. We also conduct performance testing to identify and address any bottlenecks or performance issues. Additionally, we utilize content delivery networks, CDNs, and hosting solutions optimized for speed to ensure that the website loads quickly across all devices. Overall, the pros of crafting a responsive website design outweigh the cons, and it is essential to create a responsive website to provide the best user experience across all devices. FAQs on responsive website design. What is a responsive website? A responsive website is a website that is designed to adapt to the screen size of the device it is being viewed on. This means that the website will look good and function properly on any device, whether it is a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Why is it important to have a responsive website? It is important to have a responsive website because more and more people are accessing the internet on mobile devices. If your website is not optimized for mobile devices, you risk losing potential customers who may become frustrated with the user experience and leave your site. What are some tips for responsive website design? Some tips for designing a responsive website design include: use a mobile-first approach. Keep the design simple and clean. Use responsive images and videos. Use flexible grids and layouts. Test the website on multiple devices and browsers. What is a mobile-first approach? A mobile-first approach is a design philosophy where the mobile version of the website is the primary focus. This means that the designer starts by designing the website for mobile devices and then scales up to desktop devices. As more people access the internet on mobile devices, optimizing the website for mobile devices becomes increasingly important, and this approach ensures it. How do you make images and videos responsive? To make images and videos responsive, you can use CSS to set the maximum width of the image or video to 100%. This will ensure that the image or video scales down to fit the screen size of the device it is being viewed on. What are flexible grids and layouts? Flexible grids and layouts are design elements that adapt to the screen size of the device. This means that the layout of the website will change based on the size of the screen. For example, a 2-column layout may become a 1-column layout on a smaller screen. Why is it important to test the website on multiple devices and browsers? It is important to test the website on multiple devices and browsers to ensure that the website looks good and functions properly on all devices and browsers. Different devices and browsers may display the website differently, so it is important to test the website on as many devices and browsers as possible to ensure a good user experience. In conclusion, creating a responsive web design is essential in today's digital landscape. By following these 7 tips, you can create a website that looks great and functions well on any device. Remember to plan for mobile first, use a flexible grid system, optimize images and media, simplify navigation, use responsive typography, prioritize website speed, and test on multiple devices to ensure that your website meets the needs of your audience. Feel free to get in touch with us today to explore our website solutions. Thanks for watching.